Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. I don't know. I might have to Google that and do some research and see if it's a place I might want to see. But I do want to go to Newfoundland. Newfoundland. I want to go there. I heard it's really nice there and like and it's the ocean out there. It's not just a lake, real salted seawater. I'm all about that because I'm a Caribbean girl first, so I want to do that. And I think it's Newfoundland, not Nova Scotia. Newfoundland. There's a spot over there. Anyways, there's a spot in one of those places that the tide goes down and you could actually walk on the water. I'm talking about like maybe 6 feet of water, and when the tide goes down, the water you walk on the gravel earth itself, but you have to take a canoe to get out there first. And when the tide is coming back up, make sure you're in your boat. So you paddle back out. And there's nice formation rocks there. And, oh, every time I see it, I'm just like, I have to do this. This is definitely on my bucket list. Yeah. There's so many places in Canada that I have not been. That is one of the places that I would definitely want to go to. Yes, you could fly to places within Canada, like 4 hour trips and stuff like that. Yeah. Who would think, right? You're in one country and you have to fly to get to that certain part because it's so far away. My goodness, that is something. Something indeed. What a, no kidding. You're telling me there's no taxis there where you went, and that is definitely the key. Like when I went to Texas, my friend lived, I don't remember where, but it was far from Dallas. We had to drive, thank God, because there was no buses to go to where she's at. So if you didn't drive, you need to get a ride or you need to Uber, and that would be too expensive. And I'm like, where do you live, girl? Yeah. So she lived really far. And Texas is so huge too. So a lot of ground to cover. I wasn't lives far. Like with me, I'm a city girl ish. I don't like to be in the heart of the city, but just on the little outskirts of it, like a little driving wise or taxi or bus or train. Like I like to be like around 45 minutes, half an hour away. Like I don't like to be like right in the city itself. But I'm a city girl. I don't really do country that well. And if I do, it's just like a little weekend thing. I don't submerge myself fully. Even back home, country girl. But when I did go to the country, I was like, and okay, we're here. Okay, can we leave now? I gave it like an hour. Another country, whatever they call it, mid city girl, not a city girl. Then said I would have to take multiple flights to some. Okay, yes. I forgot that you do travel a lot. So you have a cool job, yo. Your job pays for you to travel. That's nice. Very nice. My job would pay me to travel. Maybe I should look into getting a new job where I get paid to travel somewhere. Hotel accommodations, right? Three trips. Oh yeah, that sounds good. I know. I say that now, but when you do have it, you're like you're tired. You need to just plant your feet somewhere. But as long as you're enjoying it, Glenn, that's good. Me just chatting with you like you're right here in my kitchen. That is the experience, Glenn. Right here in my kitchen. This is what the experience is all about. Mm. I could be a personal chef, Glenn. If you need a vacation and a personal chef, this is your girl right here. Food Farrell. Yo, I cook you all the normal